Hot on the heels of the next version of Android, which in this case is Android 13, we have a possible exclusive on when Samsung could be rolling out the next public beta release of their mobile OS, One UI 5, within a more accurate and exact time frame. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Let's now talk about One UI 5's public beta release date and what to expect from Android 13. Without burying the lead, we did previously report in a past video and post that we could be seeing the next public beta rollout of One UI as early as July, giving Samsung and their fans a great amount of time to tune and test One UI 5 with Android 13 before the alleged official release time for the final version, which is potentially set to come out in October. If this is indeed the case, counting the months of August, September, and October, this gives a solid 3 months for One UI 5 beta to be tested with good feedback before the final release. The information we have at hand suggests that we should be seeing the first public beta release of One UI 5 going live the third week of July in 2022. If last year is anything to go by, then the Galaxy S22 series will be the first to get it, with Samsung potentially making it available to other Galaxy devices like the Galaxy S21 series. If we go by One UI 4 last year, if the official public release is set for October, then no less than the following month, we should see One UI 5 on foldables and tablets. One UI 5 is set to arrive a month earlier than One UI 4 did, giving Samsung even more time to roll out One UI 5 to eligible devices like before. Although it's too early to absolutely know what Samsung will do with their version of One UI 5 with Android 13, now that Google have released Android 13.3 beta on select non-Samsung devices, we can draw from it what could be coming to One UI 5. So far, Android 13 is leaning and expanding more on its Material UI elements. It was announced in Android 12 as a major overhaul to the UI last year. UI elements in places like settings and the power shortcuts with the quick menu could be changed in One UI 5. And also, more global and integrated search options with under-the-hood system stability fixes and a focus on smoother animations could be a major intangible upgrade to One UI come version 5. If all things discussed are to go by, then in no less than a month, we should see One UI 5 beta available to the public. Are you excited for One UI 5 with Android 13? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news on the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos and One UI coverage on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.